Hi guys, welcome to World of Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about the Mars and its moons. Mars is the red planet and it is the closest planet to our homeland Earth, and it is the fourth closest planet to the Sun. And Mars is called the red planet because its sand is red in color. And now we are going to discuss about the Martian moons. Tin moons, also known as the Mars moons, are Phobos and Deimos. Phobos is the largest and closer of the two natural satellites of Mars. Both moons were discovered in 1877. A small, irregular shaped object with a mean radius of 11 km, and it is 7 times more massive than Earth's outer moon, Deimos. It is named after the Greek god Phobos. Its appearance is too small to be rounded under its own gravity. It does not have an atmosphere due to low mass and gravity. It is one of the least reflective bodies in the solar system, and its density is too low to be solid rock and is known to have significant porosity. It is heavily cratered. The most prominent surface feature is the crater called Stickney, named after Aspar Halley's wife, Angeline Stickney Halley, Stickney being her maiden name. The impact that created Stickney must have nearly shattered Phobos. Many grooves and sticks also cover the oddly shaped surface. The grooves are typically less than 30-meter deep and 100 to 200-meter wide and up to 220-kilometer long. The unique Caledon meteorite is thought to be a piece of Phobos, but this has been difficult to verify since little is known about the detailed composition of the moon. Tidal deceleration is gradually decreasing the orbital radius of Phobos. Observations of Phobos' orbit leads to the conclusion that it will be destroyed in less than 30 to 50 million years. Given its irregular shape and assuming that it is a more Colombian body, it will eventually break up when it reaches approximately 2.1 Mars radii. And it is speculated that Phobos is hollow due to its unusual orbital characteristics. Now we have understood more about Phobos. Now we will understand more about Deimos. Deimos is the smaller and farther of two natural satellites of Mars, with a mean radius of 6.2 km, the other being Phobos. Deimos takes 30.3 hours to orbit Mars. In Greek mythology, Deimos is Phobos' twin brother. It means terror. As its brightest full moon, it would be about as bright as Venus is from Earth. Now we are going to talk about the appearance of Deimos. Like most bodies of its size, it is highly non-spherical and half of the size of Phobos. It is composed of rock that is rich in carbonaceous materials. It is cratered, but the surface is noticeably smoother than that of Phobos, caused by the particles filling of craters with regolith, loose, heterogeneous materials covering solid rocks. The regolith is highly porous. The two largest craters, Shift and Volterra, each measures about 3 kilometers across. Now we are going to discuss about the orbits of Phobos and Deimos. Deimos' orbit is nearly circular and close to Mars' equatorial plane. Deimos' Mars' outer moon is possible an asteroid that was protruded by Jupiter into an orbit that allowed it to capture by Mars. Both Deimos and Phobos have a very circular orbits which lie almost exactly in Mars' equatorial plane. It regularly passes in front of the Sun. It is too small to cause a total eclipse, appearing only as a small black dot moving across the Sun. On 4th March 2004, a transit of Deimos was photographed by Mars rover Opportunity, and on 13th March 2004, a transit was photographed by Mars rover Spirit. The discovery of Deimos. Based on the fact that Earth has a moon and Jupiter has four, Johannes Kepler suggested years ago that it was a very possible for Mars to have at least two moons. However, it was until year later that Aspen Halley, after researching the area carefully and focused searching Mars moons, discovered them on 12th August 1877. These two moons are smaller than Earth's moon, and now we have learned more about the Phobos and Deimos. And today's fun fact is, unlike a solar eclipse, which can only be viewed from a certain relatively small area of the world, a lunar eclipse may be viewed from anywhere on the night side of Earth. A lunar eclipse lasts for a few hours, whereas a total solar eclipse lasts for only a few minutes at a given place due to the smaller size of the moon's shadow. These moons are smaller than Earth's moon, and now we have understood more about Phobos and Deimos. And in the next video, I will be coming with more moons of our solar system. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and press the like button. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to view more of these videos.